Hi, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Cricket eSIM transfer. In this video, we'll cover what is eSIM, how to transfer an eSIM between Cricket devices, the requirements for transferring an eSIM, the steps to transfer an eSIM for iPhone and Android devices. What is eSIM? An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card that is built directly into a smartphone or other device. This means that you don't need a physical SIM card to connect to a cellular network. eSIMs offer a number of advantages over traditional SIM cards, including: they are more secure, because eSIMs are embedded in a device, they are more difficult to lose or steal. They are more convenient, you can easily switch between carriers without having to swap out a physical SIM card. They are more flexible, some devices can store multiple eSIMs, so you can have multiple cellular plans on one device. How to transfer an eSIM between Cricket devices. Cricket offers eSIM transfer, but only between devices of the same operating system. This means you can transfer an eSIM between iPhones or between Androids, but you cannot transfer an eSIM between an iPhone and an Android. Requirements for transferring an eSIM. There are a few requirements that you must meet in order to transfer an eSIM between Cricket devices. Both devices must be connected to Wi-Fi. Both devices must be connected to Bluetooth. And you must have your Cricket account password. Steps to transfer an eSIM for iPhone. The steps to transfer an eSIM between iPhones are as follows. Open the Settings app on the source iPhone, the iPhone that currently has the eSIM that you want to transfer. Tap on Cellular. Tap on the eSIM that you want to transfer. Tap on Transfer eSIM. Tap on New Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code provided by Cricket. Enter your Cricket account password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Steps to transfer an eSIM for Android. The steps to transfer an eSIM between Android devices are as follows. Visit a Cricket store. A Cricket representative will assist you with the transfer process. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Cricket eSIM transfer, please leave a comment below.